Now let's put the other roll on the other side. Ew. On the bottom, down like that. Right? Right, so put some sauce. And let's just move it all around. Ooh. All right, sauce and now some cheese. And I think we have room for one more pizza. That looks actually, ooh, that looks bomb. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Good.
He likes it. Here we got the ingredients that we're gonna need to make our pizza cake for breakfast, and probably not the best choice for breakfast, but I went there and we're gonna commit to it now. Also a few changes from what Shane Dawson did, because I know we ordered the pizza from Pizza Hut, but we're kind of on a budget on my channel, so I actually got frozen pizza. We also got some vegan pepperoni instead, because I had that at home, and once again, we're always on a budget around here. We got the sauce, the cheese. The only thing I didn't get was the dough for the outside, so mine is gonna be more like artistic, so this is the only kind of unboxing that I'd actually watch on YouTube. Please tell me that you fit in here. Yes, that's perfect! So here we go, our first layer. So now we're gonna add some of the tomato sauce to make the whole thing stick together. We're gonna do a Shane Dawson, not even use a spoon, just add it on top of the pizza. This is the best breakfast I've ever had. I don't even care if anyone's gonna judge me. We're gonna add some pepperoni in between. And one last slice of pepperoni. Should we spread the sauce a little bit? Let's add a little more sauce on the sides. So we're gonna add some cheese on top. Okay, so we're gonna put the second layer of our pizza cake. Should I press it down? I feel like I should. So a lot more tomato sauce. So we're gonna move this around. I'm gonna use all the pepperoni because the top layer is not gonna have any pepperoni, because I want it to look like a cake. So we're gonna add the cheese. You know what? I don't really have patience for this. I'm kind of having second thoughts, guys. I actually think I prefer this for a top layer. This looks like really good. Like, it looks perfect. Change of plans, guys. I'm gonna move this out of here. Oh my god, please do not fall. We're actually gonna add this one as the... Why do you not fit? We're gonna move this one on top. Oh my god. Name a more iconic breakfast. I will wait. Actually, I won't wait because he won't be able to, because this is perfection. This is like 3 pizzas, so I'm not really sure how long I'm gonna cook this for, but I'm guessing like 25 to 30 minutes, and I'll show you the result in just a second. We're gonna eat like Shane Dawson for a whole day. I mean, I love Shane so much. He's been my favorite YouTuber since I was like 14 years old, which explains a lot. You guys really wanted this video to happen, so I really hope I don't disappoint you. If you want me to make a video in which I eat like Dan and Phil for a whole day, give this video a like. If we can get to 20,000 likes, I'll make it the video straight away. Oh my god, I got so scared, I thought I was gonna drop it. Would you look at that? That's our pizza cake. I know it doesn't look exactly like the one that Shane made, but the reason is because I decided that the middle layer looked so good they deserve to be the top of our cake. So there's like a million salad dressings at the supermarket in England, but the one that I couldn't find anywhere was the ranch dressing, which is Shane's favorite one. Like, if you watch his videos, you know that's like his favorite thing. So I only managed to find some vegan ranch dressing, and I know, like, Shane would never approve of this, but that's the closest to ranch that I can get. It's so thick, and I really hope that it's cooked in the middle. It's weirdly wet. So we're gonna get this slice right here. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Not cooked all the way through, because this cheese is literally not even melted. I'm definitely only gonna eat the top slice because it's definitely frozen, the second one. So this cooked for like 40 minutes. I've got no idea how it's not cooked all the way through. Wow. It's like the soggiest, most saucy like slice of pizza ever, because there's literally sauce in every side. I don't want to say that this is an improvement from normal pizza, but this is kind of an improvement. It's thicker than I thought. Oh. Shane Dawson, I am coming for your brand. I'm gonna dip the pizza in the ranch dressing. I am lost for words, guys. This is so much better than I thought it would. It's so good and I'll never be able to live my life without this. So you're probably thinking, you're having a pizza cake for breakfast. What in the world could you drink with the pizza cake? Are you gonna drink like milk, which is what normal people have for breakfast? No. If you're a long-time Shane Dawson viewer, you know that like for a long time, all he would drink in his videos would be Splenda water, which is water with some Splenda. Splenda is basically like this fake sweetener that I don't think is very good for you. Oh my god, that's too much. I don't really have time to go get a spoon. Also, I don't want to do the dishes. That's so sweet. And I love every second of it. Is it possible that something is sweeter than sugar? Because I think this is. So, I will see you guys at lunch. I'm gonna go and eat the pizza now. Actually, not gonna eat it frozen. I'm gonna cook it a little bit longer. And lunch is very interesting. That's all I'm gonna say.
Alright, so this one is called The Incredible Hulk. But let's just open her up and see. Oh,
that actually looks pretty good.
That's everything. All right, here we go. Oh, ooh, rub down Junior. Ooh, Chris Evans. Ooh, Gwyneth Paltrow.
Me. This one was particularly difficult for me to find because there's no Taco Bell in London, at least in central London. I don't think there's like 2 in the whole of England. So it was very hard for me to find a Taco Bell to find the Hulk wrap. So instead I ordered a burrito from my local Mexican food place, and I've actually had food from there before and it's really good. So I don't think it's gonna be bad. It's definitely no Taco Bell, that's for sure. But I think this burrito is gonna be everything. That looks so toasty, looks so good. I think Shane wouldn't mind that this is not from Taco Bell because it still looks bomb. The Hulk burrito that Shane was eating in the video is actually from the Taco Bell secret menu. So instead of putting, I think it might be tomato salsa in the middle of the burrito, you put some guacamole. I'm probably wrong about this, but there's definitely guacamole in it. So I also bought some guacamole on the side, so we're gonna fill the burrito with guacamole. This burrito is so compact that I feel like I'm doing surgery. Should I zoom you guys in? I feel like you don't want to see my face, you want to see the freaking burrito. This is incredibly difficult to open up, me when I have to talk about my feelings. Unless you're Shane Dawson, you can't get offended at this video. That is not what I expect a burrito to look like in the middle. Okay, should we just dump it all in? Taco Bell is shook. It doesn't look that different from the inside of the Shane's burrito, the Hulk. I think one of Shane's favorite meal at Taco Bell is a crunchy wrap, something like that. I mean, I've only been to Taco Bell twice in my life, I don't really know. So we're gonna add some Chipotle Doritos in the middle as well. Oh my god. This is exactly the sort of stuff that Shane would do in his videos, so I feel like this is accurate even though it's not Taco Bell, but you guys can let me know in the comment section. I'm just really trying to not mess this one up. It looks like I'm tucking a little baby that's gonna live inside my stomach. Did I just explain pregnancy? I can't believe I nearly forgot this. So one of Shane's favorite drinks ever is a diet root beer that also we don't have in England. I mean, shocking at this point. But I did manage to find a root beer. I mean, this is like a fancy root beer because that's all I could find in the supermarket. But it is a root beer, I think. I'm excited to try a root beer, guys. I've never ever tried one. So that's basically our lunch, a mixture between the Hulk and the Taco Bell crunchy wrap. I don't know if that's a thing. And we also got one root beer that should be diet, but it's close enough. Smells like medicine. It kind of tastes like medicine as well. It's not as sweet as I thought it would be. I actually don't think this is too sweet. I'm gonna be in Los Angeles in 2 weeks, so definitely let me know in the comment section what brand of root beer should I try in America, because this one was made in England. I don't think this is what root beer is supposed to taste like. It tastes very strong of like medicine. Oh my god. Why have I never tried a crunchy burrito before? This is life-changing. I'm officially saying this now in case we didn't know that already, but Shane Dawson knows how to eat. This is really good. I'm gonna say it, the pizza cake is like a 2 in comparison to this. This is a solid 10. This is like the best thing.
You're just gonna watch me eat and watch me enjoy it. Because holy
I think I would love that.
there's nobody around to hold me.
Maybe
Oh, no.
not that much.
Hold me, girl! Oh my god. I don't know what's happening. I don't know who I'm waving to. This? Oh my god. Can you see it dripping down my hands?
I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but for this video I tried to get only things that Shane liked. Not only that he tried in his videos, but also the items that he loved, because that's realistic that he'd actually eat them again. One of the foods that I think he liked the most in his videos was Five Guys. So this is just an excuse for me to eat Five Guys as well. So I ordered these different items from Five Guys. I'm so glad we have Five Guys in England, because this one is 100% accurate. This is good stuff, guys. You guys will be shook. So here I've got the classic Five Guys fries that are made with peanut oil, and there's a lot more in the bag. That's why it's not filled to the T. Five Guys always does this thing where half of the chips are inside the bag, so this is like another one of this amount of fries in here, like for free. I ordered 1 burger, 1 fries, and 1 hot dog because I wanted to try the hot dog, and they sent me 2 hot dogs, so I guess I get 1 hot dog for free. When Shane was eating the Five Guys burger in his video, I swear I was so hungry. I think that's how people feel when they watch my videos. Oh my god, guys. So freaking beautiful. I don't think Shane specified what toppings he was having on his burger, so I just ordered my favorite ones, which is, I think it's ketchup, mustard, mushrooms, bacon, and relish. Oh my god. It's so good. The meat is so thin but so flavorful. An actual food queen, honestly. This is very good recommendations for the whole day. These videos are becoming, honestly, an excuse for me to spend money on food. The bacon is so crispy, it's so good, guys. I think it's the way they're cooked. They're cooked in peanut oil, and I think it just makes them taste very different from normal fries. It almost tastes like sweet potato fries, which I'm okay with. Obviously, I'm gonna come back for everything, but I just want to try everything on camera, so you guys can see all the foods that I ordered. It smells so good. Camera, please focus on the hot dog, because honestly no one cares about my face. I'm not even sure if Shane likes hot dogs himself. I just felt like ordering this. Sue me, arrest me, but I really felt like a freaking hot dog. It tastes like the hot dogs you have in New York City, but like, I don't want to say better, but kind of better. I am deceased, both because I had way too much sugar, carbs, and salt today, but also because the flavor of this is insane. You guys know that I'm all about the carbs. I'm not even like all about the meat usually. Like, meat is okay with me, but like not my favorite part. But this sausage is the best part of the hot dog. It's got such a good flavor. Honestly, I love this. I don't even think I could choose which one I prefer the most, the hot dog or the burger. Obviously, I'm gonna say the burger for this video because that's what Shane was having. I deeply regret not getting a drink. That's talent. I just want to say, Shane, this was everything. Thank you for the recommendations. Dan and Phil are already quaking, and I haven't even filmed that video because This was solid. And that was it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love Shane Dawson so much, and I think his videos are absolutely hilarious, but also insane. If you guys did like it, don't forget to give it a like. Obviously, it means a lot to me because it lets me know that you guys are enjoying my content. If you didn't like it, there's a lot of different videos on my channel. There's a lot of different videos on YouTube where you can go and watch Shane Dawson videos as well. I'm sure all of you already watch it, but I think that's about it for this video. I will see you tomorrow with a very different video that I think you might really enjoy. Bye bye.